Our digital age has made artificial intelligence a necessary component, propelling innovation and change across a range of industries. The process of learning AI is complex and involves 5 essential steps that set the groundwork for a solid AI foundation. Understanding the importance of every phase will help you be more ready to start your AI learning journey. Let us understand the 5 steps required to learn AI for a beginner. Step 1 is develop a foundational understanding of theory. Theoretical knowledge of mathematics, statistics, and data is essential to comprehending and utilizing the intricate ideas of AI. Mathematics, deep learning, and machine learning are founded on mathematical ideas, but you don't need to be a mathematician to understand artificial intelligence. Therefore, knowing the fundamentals of calculus and linear algebra will help you identify and correct model flaws, as well as create new methods. And before you scoff at the thought of learning calculus, remember that you just need to know advanced ideas in order to develop artificial intelligence algorithms. Calculus is not necessary to use data science methods that are already available. Therefore, a general understanding of mathematical principles is sufficient if your goal is to comprehend and be able to deal with AI. Statistics. Understanding and assessing the effectiveness of AI models requires the ability to analyze, interpret, and visualize data. Statistics offers these capabilities. Furthermore, a lot of AI methods rely on statistical concepts like classification, grouping, and regression. Thus, statistics should be the next thing you study about AI. Probability. AI is based on the idea that probability offers a framework for decision-making in the face of ambiguity. Essentially, AI models learn by updating probabilities in response to newly available data, estimating and selecting the most likely course of action. Certain algorithms, like naive Bayes, rely primarily on probabilistic concepts. The basic ideas required to study artificial intelligence are covered in our probability course. Another one of the skills is skills related to data. Dealing with AI models ought to come naturally to you, as they are educated using data. Data collection. Acquire knowledge of essential techniques, best practices, and usage of web scraping tools, APIs, and sizable databases. Cleaning and preparing data. To make AI models work with real-world data, which is frequently disorganized and lacking, you must know how to clean and prepare it. This could entail balancing unbalanced data, resolving missing numbers, or eliminating outliers. Data wrangling. In order to make analysis easier, raw data may occasionally need to be changed into a different format. It can be worked with and reshaped with R or Python. Database management. An essential component of the AI process is interacting with big databases. Large datasets can be efficiently handled, queried, and managed with SQL. Step 2 is learn programming. A key component of an AI specialist's work is programming. It is essential for converting abstract ideas into workable algorithms. Without it, AI models are impossible to comprehend, create, or use. Even while ChatGPT and other similar technologies may make writing code faster, you still need to learn how to program and understand programming. The popularity of Python and R can be attributed to their extensive libraries created expressly for DL, ML, and AI. Thus, begin with mastering the foundations of R and Python programming, and then focus on employing AI-optimized frameworks. Understanding NumPy. Large multidimensional arrays and matrices are supported by this well-known Python library, which also provides a number of high-level mathematical functions for use with them. Almost all AI tools require NumPy, even though they are not libraries as such. Understanding pandas. Pandas is the best tool for manipulating and analyzing various data kinds in tables. The foundations of Python data manipulation are NumPy and pandas. Understanding scikit-learn. A well-liked Python machine learning library for data mining and analysis is called scikit-learn. Numerous supervised and unsupervised learning methods are also supported by it. Understanding TensorFlow. Google created the open-source TensorFlow library, which is frequently used to create and train deep learning models. It offers several abstraction levels, so you can choose the one that best suits your requirements. TensorFlow, one of the most well-known deep learning packages, has an enormous amount of documentation. Because of this, it's the perfect place to start when learning how to build DL models. While not comprehensive, this library collection is a nice place to start if you're interested in learning how to program AI solutions. Step 3 is leverage machine learning. Machine learning is utilized in the development of almost all modern AI technologies. Thus, whether you want to work in research or application, it's imperative that you grasp the fundamental ML ideas. Your understanding of probability, arithmetic, statistics, programming, and data-related ideas will serve as a strong basis for your machine learning studies. It entails teaching algorithms to see patterns in data and provide predictions or judgments without explicit programming. To understand the reasoning behind important machine learning techniques including logistic regression, linear regression, cluster analysis, and k-means clustering, you can begin with our introductory Machine Learning in Python course. The machine learning subfield of artificial intelligence, AI, gives hardware, operating systems, and software the capacity to learn once they have completed the first training phase without explicit programming. In ML-driven technologies, engineers create models and algorithms that adapt to new data and enhance the functionality of the devices, apps, and systems they power. Big data can be readily accessed by machine learning algorithms and the apps that employ them. After that, these algorithms categorize and examine the data to find trends, get important insights, forecast outcomes, suggest or initiate actions, and so forth. There are various kinds of ML models. The entire machine learning process, from problem definition to model deployment, must be executed by you. It's also crucial to understand when and how to use machine learning in actual business settings. Step 4 is understanding deep learning. AI requires deep learning because it makes it possible to create more complex models. It will be easy for you to comprehend the reasoning behind deep neural networks with the knowledge you have already gained. All you'll need to do is pick up the requisite technical knowledge and vocabulary. A portion of the data pre-processing that is usually required for machine learning is eliminated by deep learning. These algorithms automate feature extraction, reducing the need for human specialists, and can ingest and handle unstructured data such as text and photos. Artificial neural networks, also known as deep learning neural networks, use a combination of weights, bias, and data inputs to simulate the functioning of the human brain. Together, these components enable precise item identification, classification, and description within the data. Deep neural networks are made up of several layers of connected nodes, each of which builds on the one before it to improve and optimize the classification or prediction. Forward propagation is the term used to describe this computation-based network evolution. Visible layers in a deep neural network are the input and the output layers. The final prediction or classification is made at the output layer after the deep learning model has processed the data in the input layer. Although real-world deep learning applications are commonplace, they are typically so seamlessly incorporated into goods and services that consumers are oblivious to the intricate data processing going on in the background. Step 5 is specializing in a subfield to better understand AI. After gaining a basic understanding of AI, you can choose to specialize in natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, reinforcement learning, or another area. AI offers a wide range of occupations, each requiring a somewhat distinct set of abilities and credentials. The goal of computer vision is to enable machines to see and comprehend visual information. It includes subfields such as object detection, facial identification, picture synthesis, and image recognition. Applications for computer vision can be found in augmented reality, medical imaging, surveillance systems, and driverless cars. Automation and robotics mix artificial intelligence with mechanical engineering to produce intelligent robots that can carry out difficult tasks on their own. Robotic perception, motion planning, control systems, and human-robot interaction are some of these subfields. Automation and robotics are employed in exploration, healthcare, agriculture, and industrial automation. Reinforcement learning through interaction with an environment and feedback in the form of rewards or punishments. Reinforcement learning teaches agents how to behave optimally. This subfield has seen tremendous success in robotics, control systems, and game-playing AI. Although artificial intelligence might seem like a single field, it is actually a huge network of specialized subfields that address different application cases. Each subfield offers specialized knowledge, methods, and algorithms to address certain problems and further the capabilities of AI. Adopting specialization allows AI practitioners and researchers to get deeper into the intricacies of their fields, which produces more customized solutions and groundbreaking breakthroughs. Realizing the full scope of AI's potential requires an appreciation of the diversity of these specific subfields. Are you interested in learning AI? What is your take on our 5 steps to learn AI? Do let us know your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section. For more interesting stories and updates, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. Goodbye!